Hey New South Wales residents, I'm Jake Warner from PSC Energy and I've got good news for you. Did you know that as of the 1st of July 2026, under the Solar Sharer Offer, you can now get 3 hours of free power between 11 AM and 2 PM each and every single day. The offer is capped at 24 kilowatt hours, and this is one of the first initiatives that we've ever seen which really incentivizes energy usage for renters, not only homeowners, but renters as well. Now, 3 hours of free power is all well and good, and what most people are going to tell you to do is run your pool in those times, run your dishwasher, maybe do your washing in those hours as well. That's all well and good. The only problem is that energy in the middle of the day is already so cheap. So are you really taking full advantage of the 3 hours of free power? Because I'm a savant of solar, and I know more about this than almost anyone else that you're going to listen to, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do to take full advantage of the 3 hours of free power. But before I let you in on my secret sauce, I want you to know that I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice. What I specialize in is getting mums and dads to produce, store and consume their own energy on their own terms. So let's say at night time, your energy's worth 30 cents to 50 cents per kilowatt hour. They're pretty fair estimates, and I've actually seen that upper number be somewhere around 60 to 66 cents. So 50 cents is actually pretty reasonable. You're telling me we're gonna get 24 kilowatt hours of energy for free during the day. If that energy was in peak times, it would be worth anywhere from $7.20 all the way through to around $12 per day. If you times that by 90 days in the quarter, the energy would be worth $648 if it was 30 cents per kilowatt hour, all the way up to $1,080 if you were paying 50 cents per kilowatt hour. Just let that sink in for 1 little minute. That's almost $4,200 worth of energy for free that you're going to get. So how do you take full advantage of it, and how do you actually recognize that $4,000 worth of value? Well, it's simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it without even spending a cent of your own money. You see, New South Wales government has also launched the Home Energy Saver Loan. This is up to $15,000 of genuine interest-free finance that you can get if your combined household income is under $210,000. Vendors such as PSC Energy are well equipped to give you advice around the loan and to get it sorted for you. A $15,000 interest-free loan would very comfortably get you a 27 kilowatt hour SIG energy battery on your home. That battery is going to give you battery backup on your house and, most importantly, take full advantage of the 24 kilowatt hours of free energy during the day. You can charge the battery from the grid, which means that you have the energy to use when you need it most, when it's worth the most. Now, before I go any further, let's talk about the repayments of a 10-year interest-free loan. If you were to take $15,000, because this loan is genuine interest-free, you quite literally divide it by 120 months, which is going to give you $125 per month repayments. Per quarter, to make it fair, 125 times 3 is around $375. If you were paying 30 cents for energy, over a 10-year period, you'd be $10,920 ahead. But who's actually paying 30 cents for energy? Let's look at this 50 cent number. If you were paying 50 cents per kilowatt hour over 10 years, you would be $28,200 ahead from not spending a single cent of your own money. Now, of course, the Solar Sharer Offer has to run for 10 years, but I haven't even taken into consideration solar panels or anything. All I've done is said, what if I got you a battery with a $15,000 interest-free loan where you didn't even have to raise a finger? There's food for thought. If you want to see what this looks like wrapped around your home, click the link below and my team will be in touch.